Cool. And yeah, there's another one from Dan. If all your seeds start on 1, is there a quick way to get a varying seed across the board?
I never tried that, but we can do now. So there is a way of creating variation using the same technique that I showed you earlier when you're in the object manager. But, well, sometimes it works. Well, there's also a variable called num. And in the object manager, it will count the objects and give you the selection index of this object. And if you multiply this by any number, could also be 1, then, well, multiple values. Look at this. This is 2, 1, and 0.